Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to add apps on home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now there are two methods to add apps to your home screen. For the first method, just open the app drawer. Now just drag an app from the app drawer to your home screen. Just like that. Now if you want to add new apps directly to your home screen as you download it, then open settings and tap on home screen. And from here, you will find the option of add new apps to home screen. Now just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, new apps will be added to your home screen as you download it on your smartphone. And this is how you can add apps to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.